In this video, I'm going to show you some cool things related to Calendly and Automizy. To connect Calendly and Automizy, I'm using our automation tool called Connexit, which will let you connect, authenticate and automate your applications in minutes. You will see that now in this video further. For most of you are already aware of Calendly, and for people who don't know about Calendly, it is an appointment booking tool where you can actually book your appointments. And Automizy is an email marketing software which actually automate your email marketing campaigns by adding your contact list. So basically we connect Calendly with Automizy using Connexit. So before I actually create Connect, I have to authorize my apps. So I will select Calendly. To authorize Calendly, I have to add API key here, which I will find it in integration tab in Calendly. So copy the API key and paste it in Connexit. That's it, your authorization is completed now. Similarly, you have to do the same thing for Automizy. I already authorized Automizy. So straight away I will jump into create connects. So to create connect, I will drag my trigger, that is Calendly, and I will drag my action, which is Automizy, and I will select some text formatter. So this is my connects. So I will select calendar trigger as invitee created. So these are all the attributes that I will get it from my Calendly invite, and I will gonna do some formatting. I will select camel keys. You can do by your choice. So I will select invitee name. So you basically ask to use @, so you will get the attribute which you actually selected. So I will select create contact as my action in Automizy, and I will select my list. So I will select invitee, connect invitee email from Calendly to Automizy, and invitee name as my tag to Automizy. We are done with our connects, guys. Just save my connect. Yes, our connects are successful. So basically whatever the invitee created on Calendly while booking an appointment will trigger and create contact action on Automizy. So our contact will be automatically updated in Automizy. We will test this by creating an appointment in Calendly. For this, I will just copy the link. I copied the link of my appointment page. I'm just pasting in here. I'll select my slot, confirm it, and I will add my name, my email ID, and I will schedule an event. So before that, you can see I have 0 contacts in my Automizy. I will refresh my page. Still my contacts has not been updated. Refresh it again. It takes some time. Yes, so you can see this the email ID which I entered in Calendly. So this has been entered as email ID, and the tag which I entered my name as in lowercase, so it has been converted into camel case and added as a tag here. This is how we connect Calendly and Automizy using Connexit. As I said before, these are all such simple and easy procedure. So you don't need to do anything. You just need to connect, drag and drop, and create your connects. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys. Have a great day.